Hello everyone. Today let's start how to create the project. So in the project we can create the single application project as well and lifecycle project as well. So I will just tell you the basic difference between the lifecycle projects and a simple projects. Okay. So before going to or move towards the project area creation, let's look at some basic things. Okay. So in the URL you can see whatever the URL we have created. So this is the JTS/admin that it represents the server related administrative settings. Okay, that we can do via JTS/admin. So these settings can be changed only by the admin privileges. Okay. Suppose as we are using RTC, for the RTC we do have a root context that we have kept as a default. So to move to the CCM application, we have a CCM as a root context. Then if you go via web, it will move towards the web page. Okay, web page of the CCM page or RTC page. So currently we don't have any project area or a work area to work, so that's the reason it is showing as a blank. Okay, but going forward, when you create the project area, then we can see the various different queries or results that you can see here. Another thing is here admin part. So once you click on a CCM/admin, here you can redirect to the admin page. So in the admin page you can see application. Okay, in this application you can see whatever the options that we have explored in the JTS admin section. Those same database connection, active service, those you can see here. Okay, so we can apply the themes as well in the CCM application. So now if here is the active user, so whatever the users are created in this, okay, so you can see in the CCM application as well. So here you can see the project area. Okay, so there are two options. One is to create the project area, another is to create a lifecycle project. Okay, another is the template. So some template is the thing where you can create the basic structure. Okay, so you have a sample basic structure of the template, and from that template structure you are design our project. So here once you so for the fresh installation you don't have any template as such. For the first time you can do create on a deployed predefined template. So it will allow us to give the options of predefined templates. So here you can see this is the waterfall model template, that is the formal project management process. Okay, so the traditional project management process where development progress in a sequential, that is a requirement design, implementation and testing. Okay, so this is the one which I imported as a custom template. Okay, that I will show you how to import and export the custom template as well. Here you can see the SEP process. So it's a scrum based process, that templates that you can see, these are the predefined. Okay, SEP process, full SEP, essential, full SEP. So here you can see the use or a summary, when to use which template. This is the basic scrum template. Okay, and this is the unconfigured, that means if you want to start it from the scratch, then here you can use that unconfigured template as well. But basically I will prefer this formal template for the traditional approach if you are going, and mostly used is the scrum as well. So if you want to go for the agile project management, basically you can go for the scrum or a SAFe. Okay, here you can get the group accesses. So this tab we can see later, report. So these tabs are related to the report generation when we are checking for the, when we create the any project area, whatever the data we do have, if you want to report on basis of it, then you can use that. This is the new feature that we added in the 7.02 version, that is a Git integration diagnostic. So whatever the Git code that we can commit, we can commit the Git code with the work item as well. So that integration we can do the here, that integration of the Git we can do here. Okay, here you can see the profiles. Okay, here view profile and licenses. In this, here username is there. Then these are the repository permissions, then client license, which license is assigned to you. If you want to change the password, you can change the password here. Scheduled absence means it's related to if any work, if you are not present at the particular day, then you can mark this as a scheduled absence. It also maintain the time sheet as well. It's the same. Here is the mail configuration. So whichever change and configuration areas are there, from that change and configuration areas of, if you want the updates, okay, so here you can get the notification depending on it. For example, if you are a creator, owner, modifier or subscriber, these four categories are there, and these are the activities. So for example, suppose you have created any task or a work item, okay, and if you are a creator, and if you mark it as a click on here and click on save, then if suppose create the task is created by you, so you will get the notification, like when the new comment is getting added in that task or work item, you will get notified. If that owner means that there is one attribute called own by, so in the own by means you are a owner of that task, so your manager is created the task and it is assigned to you, that means you are owner of that task. Okay, modifier means if anyone modifies the particular work item or a task, you will also get the modification or a notification of that task. Subscriber means anything which has happened to their changes, you will get notified of this. Okay, so these are the activity, like if suppose in a task comment is added by someone, summary and description is changed, owner is changed, work item get closed, then state got changed, you can check those things here. In the subscriber, we need to add some subscriber, or you need to maintain some subscriber list over there, and if you are added into that subscriber list, then you will get notified. That is the use of the subscriber. Modifier means any modification that you are doing here. Okay. Message at me, it means if suppose in a comment section, if or in any of the section, if you mention @ and your email ID, then you can also get notified with the message, with the email as well, if it is clicked. It means it is used for the maintain the collaboration and communication within a team, right? So whichever task is assigned to you, you don't have to do the formal email notification or any application to notify that particular user. From the same application, you can notify to the user. It is related to approval state. Email when approval changes that affects me and include my own changes to the approval. Okay. In this format email message in HTML, it will allows you to update the message in the HTML body. So in this way, we can personalize our settings as well from this step. Okay, then here these are the settings related to application templates and area. Okay, so now let's move how to create the projects. Okay, so I will just show you the lifecycle project area first. Okay, so this is the URL https localhost 9443 jts lban projects. So by referring this setting and create a lifecycle project, you will redirect it to this page. Okay, so here I will just tell you the what is the difference between the normal project area or a single application project area or lifecycle. So lifecycle, it means if you have installed the RTC, that is a CCM RQM and RM application, that is a DNG, then all the three components will have the same project area with the same name. Okay, with the embedded links which are, or a traceability will be associated within those project area, that is called as a lifecycle project area. Okay, so the project area which you will create it as a lifecycle project area will be created in RTC, that is a CCM QM, and DNG, that is the RM itself. So let's see, give the name as a demo lifecycle project, so that we can easily identify. So you can give your project name as the area name. Here you can use the different templates here, the quality professional, analyst, developer, then architect. I will select here as this. Okay, okay, as I'm using the trial lesson, it won't allow me, so I will just you can read the explanation here, what it gives or what is the benefits of this template. Then you can select the language here, in which language you can create it. Okay, so here you can see the methods or a container. This is for the RM. Okay, for the DNG project, whichever name you want to give, you can change here as well. This is the change management project, that is RTC, and demo project. Here you can change the this templates as well, agile requirement templates or something. Here you can change. I'm currently I'm keeping the by default. Once you fill the details, click on save. Okay, so it will create our sample project as well. It will take a time to create this project area. So let's wait until it creates the project area. You can see here demo lifecycle project, change management, quality management, and requirement. These projects are getting created now. So let's check into the CCM slash admin project area. Here you can see in the active project, demo lifecycle project, change management. So in the next lecture, we will see how we can see the same project in the RM, no, then QM, and how to create the single component project areas. So thank you so much.